Stand up and bounce, Murray.
Bounce me.
Woo!
Pretty good. Here, let me get up with you. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Hold on to Murray's hands.
Just a little.
Have you been playing on this much? Uh-huh. Benny, sit it down.